In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a to-do list between projects in Basecamp. Whether you're reorganizing work or consolidating tasks, the process is quick once you know where to look. The exact screens can vary depending on which version of Basecamp you're using, but the core idea is the same. You'll use the built-in Move feature to relocate an existing to-do list from one project to another. Start by opening the project that currently holds the to-do list you want to relocate. From the project's home screen, head into the To-Do Lists section so you can see all the lists in that space. Find the specific list you want to move. You'll usually see a Move link or button right next to the list's name. If you've already clicked into the list, look for the Move option inside the list's menu or Options area. Go ahead and click Move. When the Move dialog opens, you'll be asked where you want this list to go. Choose the new project that should receive the list. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct destination, especially if your organization has multiple projects with similar names. This prevents accidental moves and keeps everyone's work organized. Once you've selected the destination, confirm by clicking Move this to-do list. Basecamp will relocate the entire list into the project you chose. After the move, it's a good idea to visit the destination project and open its To-Do Lists section just to visually confirm that everything is exactly where you expect it to be. A quick note about permissions helps avoid surprises. Admins can move any to-do list. Regular team members can move the lists they created. If you don't see the Move option, you may not have permission to move that particular list, or you might be in a view that doesn't show the control. In that case, open the list directly and check its options, or ask an admin to move it for you. If your Basecamp version looks a little different, the Move action may live behind a menu icon, such as 3 dots, but it will still be called Move. Also remember, moving is not copying. It relocates the same list to a new home. If you intended to keep a version in both places, make sure you're using a copy or duplicate tool instead of Move. And that's all there is to it. Open the project, go to To-Do Lists, click Move on the list, pick the new project, and confirm. With this simple workflow, you can keep your tasks organized as projects evolve.